What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to sell video games in 5 easy steps. Okay, so step number one is going to be testing. This goes a long way and can minimize your returns on eBay or other selling platforms. Step number two is going to be cleaning. This can help your items sell faster and even get you a higher price if done thoroughly. Step number three is going to be research. Make sure that you match the title and look for any special features. Video games are a collectible, so if you see any kind of this special edition or stuff like that, that can command a higher price depending on what title it is. Do your research. Step number four, especially for used video games, is going to be accurately describing the condition. If you notice any kind of flaw, make sure to categorize that and put it in the description. I cannot stress this enough. If you want to lower the amount of returns that you get on eBay, make sure you describe your items correctly. People will find that stuff and they will return it. Step number five is going to be redundancy. Test these video games twice. Sometimes I'll test them right before I send them out because things happen. I sell old video games, sometimes they crap out on me. I've literally tested something, get it ready to ship out after it's sold, test it, it doesn't work. These things happen. When stuff's sitting in your inventory, it can kaput. A good idea for used video games is test them when you get them in to see what kind of issues, if any, arise. And then again, before you ship it out, if you want to be thorough, test it again just before you send it out, just to make sure that you are sending out the correct item. And if it doesn't work before you send it out, message the buyer and let them know what happened. That way you can avoid any returns. All of these steps that I'm giving to you are just to avoid returns, because you will get a lot if you dodge these steps. Step number two is going to be cleaning and I forgot what I was going to say. Step number three is going to be research. Look for any discrepancies. I don't like it. What do I want to say? I know these 5 steps are really simple, but like I said, testing, following up, and making sure that your products are accurately described will go a long way. So as far as 5 steps go, that was technically only 4. So cleaning, testing, accurately describing your product, that's basically all you need to know for selling video games, other than sourcing your products. I have been selling video games for over 5 years now. I take them apart, I clean them, I refurbish them, I bring them back to market value. So I do know what I'm talking about when I tell you stuff like this. I know it seems kind of simple, just cleaning, testing, and stuff like that, but it does go a long way, and implementing these practices will ensure that you have quality products for sale, and you'll have a customer base that maybe they're not coming back, but you're at least getting new customers in, and they can look at the comments and feedback from your older customers, and they see that you ship your items out fast, you're not selling garbage, and you just have a steady customer base of happy, satisfied people. And that's really all running an eBay business is. Keep people happy and sell things that you would buy yourself. I don't want to send somebody something that's going to be dirty and doesn't work. So I make sure it's sanitary, clean, looks good and presentable, and it also needs to function, obviously. So presentation is going to go a long way when you're selling anything online. Video games is not the exception. For that, you're going to need to make sure that you're also taking decent photos. They don't have to be perfect, but at least as long as it's showing an accurate depiction of what the condition is of that item, it'll go a long way. as well as putting in some kind of description. If it's a used video game, letting people know that it works is 100% the way to go. I can't tell you how many times I've bought something on eBay and there's no good photos, there's not a description saying if it even works, and I have to reach out to the buyer, or it says it does work, but they just copied and pasted an old listing, and I end up getting the item, and not only did they not ship it appropriately, but it doesn't work, and I end up having to go through the return process, which I am not above doing. You know, I will return something, even though I am a reseller myself. If you want to sell me crap, I'll give you your crap right back. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this kind of content, please leave a thumbs up. Also, a comment wouldn't hurt. I am trying to continue to put out these kind of videos, more educational stuff like that, but I also kind of like to throw in my own version of humor. I'm hoping to get another video out soon. Thanks for watching, guys.